if you guys haven't been paying attention, you need to be paying attention to the changes that have been made to the Postal Service when it comes to postmark rules, especially if you vote by mail. You send your taxes in by mail, things that need to be postmarked by a certain date. That rule as to when that postmark begins has changed.
The postmark rule changed quietly, and it affects voting and healthcare. Let me explain what just happened at USPS, because this is not minor and it's not theoretical. So as of this week, the United States Postal Service clarified that a postmark date is no longer tied to when you drop your mail off. It's tied to when that mail is first processed by an automated facility. So, as an example, you can put something in the mailbox on Monday, but if it doesn't hit a sorting center until Wednesday becomes the postmark. That matters when deadlines are based on postmarks. Think ballots. Many states say a mail-in ballot counts if it's postmarked by Election Day. Under this rule, you can mail your ballot before Election Day and still have it postmarked after. So that's not voter fraud, that's logistics quietly overruling intent. So now let's talk healthcare, because this is where people really get hurt. Healthcare runs on mail deadlines, appeals, prior authorizations, Medicare notices, prescription paperwork. If an appeal has to be postmarked by a certain date and USPS processes it days later, it looks late. So late appeals get denied. Denied appeals delay care. So in nursing and healthcare advocacy, timing is everything. And this rule shifts the risk from the institution back to the patient. The system didn't get faster. The rules just got tighter. So if you're mailing anything time sensitive now, ballots or healthcare documents, dropping it in a box is not enough. So this is what people need to do now. Mail earlier than you think you should. Go inside the post office for deadline mail. Ask for a manual postmark or receipt. Use certified mail for appeals and legal documents. And do not rely on blue mailboxes for last week deadlines. So this isn't panic, it's adjustment.
You guys need to share her video as far as you possibly can so that people know heading into 2026 what they're looking at, especially from a voting standpoint. Can you imagine the number of ballots that they are going to try and invalidate because you dropped it off on Election Day, but it didn't get sorted and postmarked until a couple of days later? Make sure people see this one.